It is time to meditate.
It is time to meditate. What is meditate?
Meditate is when you go inside.
Inside? Where? How do I get there? How do I get inside?
Inside your mind's eye.
I have an eye in my mind? Oh my goodness, turn on the light! That is so crazy!
It is a metaphorical eye.
Oh, well, why didn't you say so in the first place? A metaphorical eye. I don't know what it is, but oh well.
All right, so
How do you... Hey!
what is it?
Who are you?
I am a guru.
Oh, okay. So how do you meditate, Guru?
Well, you need to go deep inside and you need to connect with yourself, and then you be very still and you connect with the whole.
Oh, I do that every day. I get very still, I connect with my inside, and then I connect with the whole wide world.
Well, that is meditation.
No, that is Facebook.
That is not meditation, but if you understand computers, perhaps I can help you to understand a little bit better.
Okay.
All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to clear your cache.
Okay. Cleared?
Now I want you to delete your cookies.
What? No, delete my cookies. I like my cookies. You connect. That is ridiculous.
All right, forget that. Delete your history.
Deleted.
And now I would like you to navigate to a blank page.
Navigate to a blank page.
All right, and now we meditate.
Gee, you are you. Gee, you are you. Gee, you are you. You! Guru, wake up!
I am not sleeping. I am meditating.
Gee, you are you. Did you hear that? That is so funny. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so funny. Don't you think so?
Well, it is interesting.
You don't get out much, do you?
I like to stay inside. I am a real homebody.
Now, you know what? Maybe I should teach you to laugh, and then we can do that, like, meditating thing.
All right, that is fair. Fair enough. Let's do it.
All right, okay, here we go. Okay. What did the Zen master say to the hot dog guy?
I do not know. What did he say?
He said, make me one with everything.
That is very good. I'm feeling a tickle in my belly.
That is your clown chakra.
What is a cloud chakra?
Oh, it's the mind's eye for the funny guy.
All right. I think I'm catching on. I think I have the hang of it. All right. In order to have peace, we must live like nomads. That is what I nomad it's you, and you nomad it's me, and then we're only nomadness in the world.
Swami, Guru, that's great. You're so funny. Okay, my turn. Okay. Here we go. Ahem. All right. Before you criticize someone, you must walk a mile in their shoes. That way, you're a mile away, and you got their shoes.
Oh, that is very good. I think. my turn.
Okay.
All right. It is very important that you pray. Look at me. It is very important that you pray. I am talking.
Oh, sorry.
It is very important that you pray in every religion. That way you do not put all your bags in one basket.
Oh, that is so funny! My turn. All right. Why did the yogi not want to take medication for his root canal?
I do not know why.
Because he wanted to transcend dental medication.
Oh, I think I am getting the hang of this. This is very good. All right. All right, here I go.
Okay, go.
I'm going.
Go.
I'm going. Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana.
That is not funny.
She's very funny.
No, that is not funny.
It is very funny. Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana.
Not funny. My turn.
All right.
Okay. So, what is the best vitamin to be happy?
I don't know what is the best vitamin to be happy.
B1.
Very good. I'm feeling it rising. I think I'm going to laugh. This is going to be very big.
Go now.
I'm going. It's coming.
Come on.
All right, now it's time to meditate.
Oh, I thought I got out of this. Does that mean I need to go inside now?
That is exactly what it means.
All right, I'm going inside that thing.
As Allison says, if you don't laugh, it just isn't funny.